Welcome back to the channel. So Zilliqa is currently up over 28% so far for the day and is ranked 80th on CoinGecko. Now, it was actually up way more than this, but it's pulled down slightly. But what does this pump tell us about Zilliqa for the future, right? What does it tell us about Zilliqa's value in the cryptocurrency space? This is actually a very significant a video, because it's going to highlight how profitable and how rewarding this Zilliqa play could play out over the next few months. And there's a few reasons why. So as you guys know, interest rates were announced yesterday. There was, of course, an increase in interest rates. The Federal Reserve announced a point percentage increase in interest rates, which was the largest percentage increase in 2 decades, and it had a very interesting impact on the overall market, with in fact a shocking impact, because stocks started to go up, indices started to go up, and also crypto started to go up, with Bitcoin leading the way, breaking above $39,000, edging towards the $40,000 price target. But one thing that's very interesting that happened was Zilliqa started to pump as well. Zilliqa followed suit and had a lovely, and has been having a lovely pump so far for the day. So what does this tell us? Number one, this tells us that Zilliqa is a solid project and that has strong correlations to Bitcoin's price movement. And the reason why that's important is because for people looking for, let's say you don't have enough money to buy 1 Bitcoin, right? You don't have enough money to buy 1 Bitcoin, but at the same time, you don't want to put $1,000 in Bitcoin, because even if Bitcoin doubles in value, you only make $2,000. Whereas if you can get a strong correlated coin such as Zilliqa at the moment, well, guess what? That $1,000 is now worth 1.3K, right? So you're up over 30% in less than a day just buying Zilliqa yesterday, essentially. And if Zilliqa goes back up to all-time highs, that's 170, no, actually it's almost a 200% move, 188%. So there's a lot more room for growth here. There's higher percentage returns, and that's the beauty of buying projects with strong correlations to Bitcoin, and that tend to move to the upside when Bitcoin moves, and other altcoins, of course. Now, before I actually continue with this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date with all my recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own independent research. And with that being said, pause the video, click the link in my description, and join a Telegram group so you can stay up to date with all my recent updates, news updates, technical updates, and much, much more. So the question is, what does the future hold for Zilliqa? Now, as you guys know, we already have our predictions in mind. Personally, I would play this as safe, pretty safe, just because, of course, we know that this area of resistance has been so strong for Zilliqa, like so strong, and this dates back to 2018. And let's put it this way, buying and just waiting for price to break through, unless you've got a good entry like these lows here, or even an entry now, personally, I would buy up to this resistance. I would take profit, which would be a 170% profit. I would literally take profit at that level. Then I would wait for price to close above the 26-cent area, and then I would ride this up to around 35 cents, which would be another let's just wait for that. That would be another 35% move. But obviously, at this time, you will be holding for the long term, and many people are going to be holding for the long term. Many people have positions that they have been holding for the long term, but for short-term positions, if you're just looking for a quick exit, personally, I would be looking at that 23-cent area, and then maybe looking for re-entries once this area has been cleared and broken above. But it's going to be an interesting year for Zilliqa. I think that this coin could actually shock everyone and hit $1 this this year. So this coin should definitely not be overlooked. And the one thing that should give us more confidence is the fact that even if this project is down, at least in our minds, we can see the strong correlations between Zilliqa and Bitcoin. And even if it's down, we could say, okay, no problem. Once Bitcoin starts to move again, at least Zilliqa should go up in value. And we can back test that, and we can see that dating back to 2018 that this has been the case, and obviously today as well. So that's always good news. But that's it for now, guys. Until the next update, seize the day. Don't forget to click the link in my descriptions, join the Telegram group, join our services, and as always, seize the day.